Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and is school situated in Gulambasar. Today in class 4 we are going to learn topic addition, that is chapter 2 exercise 2 addition and subtraction, and in this series we are going to learn first topic is that is addition. Okay, and today we will learn how we can add 4-digit numbers, addition with regrouping and addition without regrouping. Also we have to learn of 5-digit numbers, addition of 5-digit number, and also we have to learn some addition fact, subtraction fact. So without wasting our time, come on the topic, and the first topic is adding 4-digit number. And in adding 4-digit number, first one is addition without regrouping. Okay, so come on the topic, that is adding 4-digit numbers. Adding 4-digit numbers. Adding 4-digit numbers in the series, that is addition without regrouping. Addition without regrouping. Addition without regrouping. Okay, so first example is there is an example. Find a sum of 1340 and 1340 and 5658. Okay, write in columns 1000, 100, tens and ones. 1340 and 5658. In step first, 0 ones plus 8 ones, that is 8 ones. 4 tens plus 5 tens, that is 9 tens. 300 plus 600, that is 900. And 1000 plus 5000, that is 6000. Okay, so the answer is 6998. The next example is find a sum of 2356 plus 1231 and 1231 and plus 1302. So write in column 1000, 100, tens, ones. 2356, 1231 and 1302. That is, add the ones, 6 ones plus 1 1, 7 ones, and plus 2 ones, 9 ones. Add the tens, 5 tens plus 3 tens, that is 5 tens plus 3 tens, that is 8 tens. Okay, 300 plus 200 plus 300, that is 800. And 2000 plus 1000 plus 1000, that is 4000. The next example is, that is add 2130 plus 240 plus 4102 and 324. Write in columns 1000, 100, tens and ones. 2130, 230, 4102 and 324. Now add the ones, 0 ones plus 3 ones, 3 1, 3 2, 5 ones, and 5 plus 4, 9 ones. And now add the tens, 3 tens plus 1 ten, 4 tens and plus 2 tens, 6 tens. Add 100s, 100 plus 200 plus 100 plus 300. 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 7. Add 1000, 2000 plus 4000, that is 6000. So the answer is 6769. Now come on the next topic. In series of adding 4-digit numbers, we are going to learn topic addition with regrouping. Addition with regrouping. Addition with regrouping. Addition with regrouping. The last topic was addition without regrouping, and that is addition with regrouping. Okay, now there is an example given. Find add 7254, 7254, 6263 and 7948. That is, firstly writing columns, that is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and 1. 7254, 6263, 7948. Okay, firstly we have to add the ones. So 4 ones plus 3 ones, 7 ones plus 8 ones, 15 ones, and regroup 15 ones into 1 10 5 ones and write 5 in the ones column. Okay, 4 ones plus 3 ones, 7 ones plus 8 ones, that is 15 ones, and regroup 15 ones into 1 10 and 5 ones and write 5 in the ones column and carry over 1 10 to the tens column, carry over 1 10 to the tens column, and after that and add the tens. 5 tens plus 6 tens, 11 tens and plus 4, 15 tens, and 1 carried over to the from 1 and 1 carried over from the ones, that is 16 tens. Regroup 16 tens into 106 tens and write 6 in tens column. After that add the hundreds and carry over 110, 100 to the 100 column. And now add the hundreds, 200 plus 200, 400 plus 900, 1300, and 1 carried over from tens, that is 2 to 4, 4 9, 13, 13 1, 14. So regroup 14 hundreds into 1000 and 400 and write 4 in hundreds column and carry over 1000 from hundreds, 1000 in 1000 column. And now add 1000, 7000 plus 6000, 13,000 and 7, 7, 14, 6, 20, 20 and 1, 21. Carry it over 1 from hundreds, that is 21, 1, 2 carry. And now there is nothing, so that is 2. So the answer is 21,465. So you can find the sum. Now adding large numbers. Adding large numbers. Adding large numbers. Adding large numbers. In this series, we are going to learn adding large numbers, how we can add large numbers as like 5-digit number and 6-digit number also. Okay, add, there is an example given, add 13,406 31,151 for 20,210 and 5,101. Okay, write in columns 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones, 13,000, 406, 31,151 and 20,210 and 5,101. Now add the ones, that is 6 ones and 1 one, 7 ones plus 8 ones, that is 8. 5 tens plus 1 tens, that is 6 tens. 400 plus 100, 500 plus 200, 700 plus 1, 900. And add the 1,000, 3,000 plus 1,000, 4,000 plus 5,000, 9,000. And now add the 10,000 places, that is 10,000 plus 3, 10,000 plus 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 10,000. Okay, so the answer is 69,968. How far he who call Patrick call. बस 2 मिनट।